Example number 2. Number 2. Example number 2. You have there 2/3 plus 1/4. Ano yan? What is that equal to? The first thing is actually, they are different by denominators. What will you get? You get the least common denominator. What is the least common denominator? It is a number, the smallest number that can be divided into both the denominators of the fraction. Okay? So ano ang LCD? What is the LCD here? Least common denominator. What is the LCD? Least common denominator, the number that can be divided to both the fraction of the given combination. LCD, what is the LCD? Least common here? 12. Very good. 12. So, ilagay na. You write 12. So, 12. So, you write 12 for your denominator. And then you divide. 12 divided by 3. 4. Times 2. Okay. 12 divided by 3. 4. Times 2. 8. Plus, the same. 12 divided by 4. 3. Times 1. 3 pa rin. The same as 3. So therefore, you add 8 plus 3 to become 11/12. Okay?